Like most people, my biggest fear was, is anyone going to show up at the workshop? And I heard enough about workshops from Paul and other people in the community and just decided to take the leap. We have anywhere between 10 to 15 people attend almost at every workshop and have 7 to 8 people convert. So with each patient, average value between 2 to 3 grand, it's about 18 to 20 grand a workshop. It makes all the difference, like just to have something so predictable marketing wise versus waiting for the phone to ring. I feel like we can control the business versus the business controlling us. It just makes life so much easier. It's definitely like led us to growth. We can look at hiring someone, add more services now that we have more patients, and kind of build up to the next phase. People come in thinking of us as the experts, and they show up better, stay with us longer. The higher price objections get lesser. It gives so much time freedom to spend, more time with my family, get home, pick up my daughter from school, just spend more time in the evenings and not be seeing patients all the time, take more vacations. I think I've taken, couple vacations already this year. I'm planning a third one in December. So just having all this freed up time alongside of business growth, which is the best part. It doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice your personal life in order for your business to grow. Without the team, just being able to do it on a consistent basis would definitely be challenging. Because life tends to get in the way. Marketing is something that was definitely being pushed aside as we were always getting busier with patients. The way the ads are designed, they definitely get people to sign up. New people are knowing about our practice. So that makes a big difference from just doing it on your own. I think anyone, regardless of their size, would benefit from doing the workshops, whether it is a small practice, single practitioner who doesn't have the time to do all the background work for the workshops, will obviously benefit from having a dedicated team do it for them, as well as a big practice with several clinicians in it will also benefit, because this way they can keep everyone's schedules full. So I don't see any reason why anyone wouldn't benefit from it.